In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to n8n step by step. Let's get started by navigating to Google Forms. Open your preferred web browser and head straight to Google Forms. Once you're there, what you want to do is go ahead and click on the option labeled Blank Form. This will allow you to start fresh with a new form that you can customize to your liking. Now let's focus on creating the content of your form. Start by typing in your first question. This could be anything you desire. Maybe a simple survey question or a more complex query, whatever suits your needs. Once you've added your question, it's important to know how to manage the responses effectively. To do this, click on the Responses tab at the top of your form page. After you've clicked Responses, look for the option to link these responses to Google Sheets. By clicking on Link to Sheets, you're setting up a direct, seamless transfer of the responses from your form into a spreadsheet where you can analyze the data more effectively. Once you've done this, go ahead and click on Create. This step will generate a new Google Sheet automatically linked to your form. Moving on to the n8n platform, go to the home area of your n8n workspace and click on Create Workflow. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be setting up the process that connects your Google form to n8n. Look for the plus button, which is your gateway to adding new actions and connections in your workflow. Within the n8n workspace, locate and click on Actions, which brings up a list of possible integrations. From there, choose the option to create a spreadsheet. This action will allow you to receive data collected by Google Forms directly into a structured spreadsheet format. Next, you'll need to set up and authenticate your connection with Google Sheets. Click on Credentials to connect your Google account securely with n8n. Here, you have the option to use existing credentials or create new ones if this is your first time. Choose Google Sheets OAuth 2 API to authenticate successfully. Should you require new credentials, don't worry, there's an option to create them right there. Now back to setting up your workflow, click on Sheet within Document and locate your linked sheet, typically titled Untitled Form Responses. Within this spreadsheet document, ensure you've selected Form Responses 1, which should contain the data uploaded from the Google form. Lastly, to test if everything is connected correctly, click Execute Previous Nodes. This action will run through your workflow setup to verify whether the responses from Google Forms successfully populate into Google Sheets through the n8n platform. If everything works as intended, congratulations. You've connected Google Forms to n8n seamlessly. And there you have it, a complete guide to linking Google Forms with n8n efficiently. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to check out more tutorials for boosting your workflow automation.